Okay, this is day infinity of our trip in Thailand, and I don't think it's going to be a trip for very long. I think we're moving here. I believe we're moving over here.
You heard it here first. It's happening.
This is our last day in Koh Lanta. I am not sad about it at all because I think we're going to go to Bangkok.
I agree.
Yeah.
And Bangkok has its own vibe, and we've been at the beach for the last few days. We've explored as much as we could have. We've burnt. And if you can see it,
look at that.
but your
Battle
boys
scars.
Max burnt.
Yeah.
And we've got the most beautiful villa in the world, or at least in Asia for sure, for this price point. I mean, it's magical that we found this place. Just let's show you right now. Look at this beauty first.
Hi.
There you go. We got the hills in the background. We've got this insane pool. We've got separate rooms. We've got an open dining, an open lounge. I don't think it gets better than this. And next stop is Bangkok.
Yeah. I feel like the atoms exploded and now they've sort of restructured themselves in a very weird and unique way. Feels like a new reality. Anyway, so we're off now. We're heading to a 7-Eleven. I've always wanted to do this only because anyone who's ever been to Thailand or anywhere else in Asia knows how important 7-Eleven is.
Oh, it's a lifeline.
This is our villa, Doritos. I don't know what that means.
There's a garden out there.
And that also leads to the villa.
And this leads to the...
These are the steps there. Actually, can we ask them to clean our room or no?
Nah, I don't think.
Okay. I love these steps. I love this way leading there, especially this. Look at that. Yesterday we weren't even able to walk through the villa because it's so big. Like the entire space is so big. I don't know how many villas are there. That's the reception right there. It goes all the way there. We haven't been there. We only tried going that side and it's all downhill.
And
so
it rained
after
4 months.
After everybody in Thailand telling us that it's not rained, it's not going to rain, it's going to be really hard. But yeah, it just rained for like a quick 5 minutes and we just coincidentally happened to be outside during this time.
Coincidentally happened to step out of the villa at that moment and enter a jungle.
Yeah.
So there's a jungle straight up there. The moment we started entering, rain poured after 4 months in Thailand. Wild.
I know. So let's go. Let's check out 7-Eleven.
And show the way. There we go.
It's incredible.
Off we go.
Would you imagine this is a part of the villa still?
Yeah.
It's crazy. We're still not done. There's all the jungle outside. This is where we were going to end up last night.
Full of monkeys and snakes and whatnot.
The whole night you can hear monkeys just making these cute, adorable sounds. It's quite something. This is a place we want to go for breakfast tomorrow, where you can pick and choose your breakfast called near and far.
The
beach is right across. All of Koh Lanta. I love when islands just have this one road that connects everything. It's amazing.
One seaside road which is a 45-minute long road, and you can see the whole island in 45 minutes. But there's so much going on in Koh Lanta that you don't get bored easily because there's a lot of bars, there's a lot of beachside shacks which provide great food. So they're not like those random shacks with bad food. Each of them has really good rating, and it's worth it.
Their niche.
Also, what I like about Koh Lanta is that there's North and South Koh Lanta which are different. So North Koh Lanta is more for backpackers, hippies and just the beach shack vibe, where South is resorts, high-end, great roasteries, great beer bars and just like a 5-star lifestyle. So it has been divided into great North and South. So it's worth exploring both. And then there's Old Town on the then there's Old Town on the west, which is where the sun rises from, and it's just another beautiful marketplace. And we've reached 7-Eleven. Let's go.
My favorite place in the whole world.
Happy hour at Majestic Bar in Koh Lanta. Seems like a vibe.
On this side, in the happy hour, one of the parties, and you pay for 1 2 night.
Apparently it's happy hour. Let's see what they have. Beautiful beach. Empty. It's insane. Alright, it's time to try the buy one get one free happy hour on the beach. We've got a mango mojito and a bow wow. Never heard of bow wow, but it looks
Malibu and
good.
pineapple.
I wanted to get a pina colada, but they didn't have it in happy hour, so I'm gonna try their drinks and see what's up.
It's like juice. It's
No,
strange.
can.
Can? It's not strange?
It's can.
Not bad.
Can juice.
No, it's not. I mean,
Can
like, we
juice.
can do
You
it.
can.
The mango
We can
mojito,
do.
a good 5 on 10.
A good 5 on 10.
A good
yeah.
5 on 10 on the beach.
For the place that we're in, the set and setting is important. I'm rating
Yeah,
it
that's
an
good.
8
Fine.
A
on 10.
bow wow, a good 8 on 7.5 on
Yeah.
10. 8 is pushing it.
So white
But-
Russian, but the pina colada will be good then.
I'm gonna
yeah,
get this
I'll
bow
just
wow.
down this.
Bow Wow is nice. We're at Melina's kitchen.
Skating ring.
We've got one person, another person. They're both figuring things out. There's a cute little spot. It's right on the only road in Koh Lanta, and we've ordered amazing dishes, but the prices are a little bit higher than usual. I guess, I don't know. They're telling me that. I've ordered a green curry. He's ordered a whole fish. She's ordered pad thai, and we don't know what happened with the spring rolls. Did we order the spring rolls? No spring rolls. But something that goes with almost everything, even better than juice, is Coca-Cola. Coke Zero, baby. Thank you. I just squeezed.
Last night in Koh Lanta.
Aww, we're sad. We're sad.
She might be
We're
sad,
hungry.
but I'm glad.
We're sad and hungry.